Sembut Menteri Rangba kejela ubah kami iketanat kampok ying ubah Presiden Tensong, ula Pyntip hapok ke ying dorbar tau ain haka kanyo terik rempang, bah haduh ndrius pak sanpu perangut kinong Bangladesh kila syak pengat haki kendon ain bat shis pak kendai pusangut la pynphai pat hadien ke jing tian bishar nadu usnem arhajar arhuwei. Uba Preston ula aye kini ke jingken haba jubab ya ka call attention notice bala wanra dau MLA ka VPP na mauring keneng uba Livingstone Karpran. Pyntip ru baka sorkar kala tau ya kilat kilinti bantek lakam ya ke jingwan rung jong ki mender da ka ba penyaso ya ki jingte ha kaput bat ke jingpen klain ya ki bor pahara. Ka sorkar kala penyeng hadu khat pratli ki check post gate bat kilan custom station menta kila trekam ha ki jaka bakongsan ha keleng ki jaka kaput interstate bat Indo Bangladesh. Ka sorkar kala thung ru ya khatwei terli ki district task force ban labdien bat ban pynphai pat ki mender ki bawan rung bian ulaong. Nadu usnem arhajar arhuwei hadu kalai terik rempang arhajar arhunriu ki don hadu hnriu spa sanpu prangut kinong Bangladesh ki bala syak kem ha kejela bat syak pengat haki kendon ain ong ubak Preston. Ula ong ru ba kabakum kani kejuk kepor hadu shispa kendai pusangut kinong Bangladesh kila syak pynphai pat hadin bakila syak pengat haki jing saja bat hadin bakila yo ya ka travel permit naka embassy ke Bangladesh. Nalor kata ula benrap ba ka sorkar kala thung ya ka state level monitoring committee bat ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arhajar khandriu kala trekam ha ki babun ki benta jong ka East Khas Hills. Na kiliang ki officer badai kami kila pentrekam ru ya ki kendon jong ka Immigration and Foreigners Act arhajar arhusan ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita bat ya ki kendon jong ka Ministry of Home Affairs bantek lakam ya ke jingwan rung bian jong ki menderi. Ka sorkar ka kerpat ya baro ki kenhun seng bat ki nong shong bakin ya treilang bat ki bor sorkar bat ban syak ban le ya ka jing pensisha kat kum kilinti jong ka an o ba Preston haba benrap ba ka jing tumu ka long ban yada ya ki badai hok ki nong India ba pura kat ba ki dang le da ka bating persyak ya ka jing wan rung bian jong ki menderi.
August House, Shri Livingstone Karpran, Honorable MLA from Maurang constituency for doubling this calling attention notice under Rule 54(1) of the Rules of Procedure on Conduct of Business under the caption Dhaka Police Report Nasil Shah Room Ki Khar Bangladesh Shah Maurang. Sir, on the 15 December 2025, information was received from the President of the Hinyautrep Youth Development Council that some persons suspected to be illegal migrants were detained in a vehicle at Thang Shalai bypass, Maurang, East Khas Hills district. On receipt of the information, police personnel from Maurang police station were immediately deputed to the spot to conduct inquiry and take necessary action. Sir, upon inquiry, it was found that 7 persons along with the driver of the tourist vehicle bearing registration number ML11B 7533 had been detained by members of HYDC. These persons stated that they were residents of Dhubri district, Assam, and were travelling to Sokilo, East Janti Hills for work at a construction site. Mr. Speaker, sir, the police verified their identity documents and it was established that all 7 persons are Indian citizens. Though they were initially unable to produce their labour licenses, the matter was verified with the Labour Department, which confirmed that all the concerned labourers possess valid labour licenses issued through the concerned contractor. On completion of due verification, all the detained persons were released. Sir, it was also reported that the driver of the vehicle and some of the labourers were allegedly assaulted during the incident, for which medical treatment was provided at Maurang CHC. Subsequently, a written FIR was received from the President Yatli Lang Driver Association, and a case has been registered at Maurang Police Station under relevant provisions of the BNS, and investigation is presently underway. Sir, I would like to inform this August House that to address the challenge of illegal migration and recognizing the need for robust border and internal security management, the government has put in place a comprehensive and multi-layered anti-infiltration mechanism through the Anti-Infiltration Directorate and the district police units. Sir, at present, 18 anti-infiltration checkposts, check gates and land custom stations are operational at strategic locations along the interstate and Indo-Bangladesh borders. These are supplemented by anti-infiltration special squads functioning in all districts, which regularly conduct anti-infiltration drives, surprise Naga checks and patrolling in vulnerable areas in close coordination with the Labour Department, village defence parties and the local authorities. Sir, 11 district task forces have been constituted across the state to detect and deport illegal foreign nationals through regular checking and coordinated enforcement involving other departments. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, these sustained measures have resulted in significant detections and enforcement outcomes from 2021 till 3 to 2026. A total of 658 Bangladeshi nationals were detected in the state and prosecuted under relevant legal provisions. During the same period, 194 Bangladeshi nationals were deported after completion of their sentence and upon obtaining the requisite travel permit from the Bangladesh Embassy. Sir, the government has further constituted a state-level committee to monitor detection, identification and deportation of overstaying foreigners in the state. Also, to address concerns regarding illegal migrants influx, the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 has been made operational in selected localities of East Kasils district. Moreover, provisions of the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025, BNS and the guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India are strictly followed to combat illegal immigration. Sir, the government also appeals to all organizations and citizens to cooperate with the authorities and allow verification to be carried out through lawful means so that genuine Indian citizens are not harassed and at the same time ensuring that illegal infiltration is firmly dealt with in accordance with the relevant provisions of law. Sir, with these few words, I once again take this opportunity to thank the honourable member for tabling this calling attention notice.